feel mine already burning. So at that point, I may switch over to a different jump rope move. For example, I might go from that regular 2-foot hop into a boxer skip, as I am doing here. I have my right foot to the rear, my left foot to the front. The rear foot is doing the majority of work. Let me show you here. Switching foot. I'll show you here from the side. I have my left foot to the rear. The left foot is landing on the ground first. It's supporting most of my body weight. The right foot is just gently tapping the ground. It's kind of acting like a form of stability, stabilizing my body, providing some balance. I'm going to change feet now. Now the right one is in the rear, doing most of the work. So this is a fantastic move, the boxer skip. I'll link down a little bit in the description to that move. Great move to use in between moves that might fatigue your legs, such as this, the regular 2-foot hop. So if you do the regular 2-foot hop and you find your legs, maybe your lower legs, your calf muscles getting tired, you could take a break, maybe walk around briefly, shake out your legs, like so. You could even go into a calf stretch, put your heel on the ground like so. You can even try to slide down your leg, maybe touch your toes. Okay, great way to stretch out the calves. Simply put the heel into the ground. You can even kind of dig your heel down into the ground, as if you're trying to move the ground with your heel. You can try to lower your body, maybe touch your toes if you can. Great way to stretch your calves, shake out your legs, or, as I did there with the boxer skip, I just transitioned from a move that works both legs at the same time to one that works one leg. Mostly. You could also go into 1-foot hops. So now my left leg is getting a complete break. Change it up. Change it up. So now, let's say for example, my right leg is feeling particularly tired. I could do more hops on this left leg. So watch this for example. I'll go back to the right foot, a few hops, now back to the left foot. I'll do more hops on my left foot. Back to the right foot, do a few hops, back to the left foot, hop. You could also do the run in place, and you could do a few extra hops on your fresh foot. Okay, so notice I'm trying to not do as many hops with my right foot. So that is a fantastic technique to use if you want to give one foot, one leg a momentary break.